flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 7:15 p.m. PDT. At 4:56 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across much of southeast San Bernardino County. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Highway 95 at mile marker.
I don't know if it's a double header.
Vidal Junction, Big River, and Earth. This includes the following roads: Highway 95 in San Bernardino County between mile markers 1 and 37. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 86 and 109. State Route 62 in San Bernardino County east of mile marker 59.
Double header? Is it double header?
These are the 4 p.m.